Smart Compose rolling out to G Suite as new Gmail becomes default next month. Announced that I/O 2018, Smart Compose in Gmail takes Smart Reply a step further and leverages Google's AI to write entire messages for users. It's already rolled out to regular accounts and is now coming to G Suite and enterprise users. Smart Compose intelligently autocompletes your email and offers useful information like home and office addresses. It cuts down on having to manually type out long, repetitive phrases and can be a great time saver. Suggestions appear in faded text as users type, with pressing tab populating the machine learning created sentence. At launch, it will fill in commonly used phrases, but over time it takes into account the user's colloquialisms and writing manner to sound more natural. Unlike Smart Reply, Smart Compose is only available on the web. At I/O 2018, it launched to free Gmail accounts and is now coming to enterprise customers. It reflects how Google wants to use machine learning to increase productivity across G Suite products, like with Priority and Workspaces in Google Drive. Smart Compose is enabled by default as it rolls out, but users can turn it off by heading to Settings greater than Smart Compose, and then selecting Writing Suggestions off. This AI-powered feature comes as the revamped Gmail with Material theme begins widely rolling out. Announced in April, Google has gradually been enabling it for more users. On September 18, Google began automatically migrating users that haven't switched over. However, you have until October 16 to continue using classic Gmail.